Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, look who's on the trailer. The 49 Ford, the all-original restoration, is headed to the shop right now. So there it is, back in the shop again. This one's actually been quite a tough project. Ran into a few little snags on this thing. We lost a member of our team while building this one, so it kind of fell apart while we're building it, but now we've regrouped and time to get this one done. So we are actually going to repaint all of this entire truck, inside, fenders, everything, because I wasn't happy with how it turned out. So this thing's coming apart. And now we have done a little shop changeover. Had to bring the Corvette, the wide body vet, out of the corner and put the race car in the corner. We're still moving stuff around right now. It is a better corner when we're doing our primering and stuff over there because of the fans and the paint room. C10 still sits in the middle, and the Willys got the best spot with the best lighting and the most room. That's because the Willys is getting near the end, so the Willys will live there until it is finished. And I really wanted this one out of the corner. I'm getting the urge to play with that one a little bit. Holy, is it loud. And what do we got on the trailer now? Look at that monster. It is just awesome. It's definitely the biggest thing I've ever built. That one's gonna go sit in the paint booth for a little bit until we get the new body. And at the paint booth, we actually have the proper beam so we can lift the engine out of that thing and lift the body off. So that is why it's going there next. So let's haul it to the paint booth. So the Monster Blazer is out of the shop finally. It's kind of sad because I love having that thing in here. That thing just makes me happy every day I come to work. So I really want that thing back in the shop soon, but it was in the way. And now we have engines piling up like crazy. We have the little V-dub motor from the Cabriolet, the turbo motor. We have a little small block with the transmission for the C10 project. This is a brand spanking new 302. It's not a rollerized one, it's the old one that I bought from my mechanics teacher from high school. And I had run into him about 30 years later in a grocery store, and he had this brand new 302. And he no longer works on cars. So I bought this thing. It is for the 68 Bronco that will be coming in. I'm hoping that we can have that thing in here in about a month or two, because it's really small, doesn't take up a lot of room. And I think we should try it out before we take it apart, because it is an original 289 two-barrel in it, but it actually has a comp cam that's pretty lumpy, and it still has the 3 on the tree. So I really think we should try the Bronco out before we tear it apart. Anybody who wants to see the 68 Bronco driving around, just let me know. And sitting under there, behind my Corvette, now that the Corvette is up here, I actually have access to it because the Corvette does run and drive it in this state. Sitting under that blue tarp is a supercharged LS with the automatic 8-speed from a Cadillac. And that is for a 71 Cutlass convertible. The gentleman who owns the VW convertible also has a 71 Cutlass, and he has a brand spanking new Art Morrison chassis with full air ride sitting there in the crate still. And he's been having troubles finding panels for a Cutlass, quarter panels, all that kind of stuff, because they rust out. They're very difficult to find even before the pandemic. We were not able to find anything, so we're still on the hunt for panels, and hopefully you'll be seeing that project possibly in here one day. I would love to finish that one. We took that one completely apart down to bare metal, and now we're waiting for panels. So there you go. Shop changeover is complete, and we get to work on all new fun stuff. So we'll get on to new fun videos tomorrow. I'll make a few phone calls and try and get some really obnoxious cars in here over the next week or two. I got a couple in mind. I got a good one. I'll surprise you with it. But thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.